How to buy $ALON. ALON Token Crypto Coin How to by MEXC Global Pump.Fun Pump.Fun SOLANA RAYDIUM MemeCoin. Hey everyone, Helper Dog here, stock and crypto investor. Today, we're taking a look at the ALON token. This is not the ALON token, it's the ALON token. Basically, it's ALON but with an A in the name. It's a very popular project right now, with over $500 million in 24-hour trading volume. It's currently trending at number 7 in the Solana section on DEX Screener. This is a Solana meme coin that just got a bunch of new centralized exchange listings, and we're going to dive into the details about this token and show you how you can get it. But before we get started, I just want to quickly mention that I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is purely informational. So take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research before investing, especially in crypto, since it can be highly volatile. Also, down in the description box, you'll find a ton of referral codes for the best crypto apps. These can get you free money, rewards, and crypto just by using them to fund your account. Referral codes benefit both of us, so be sure to check them out and let's get into it. So, this is the official ALON community token, and it's co-founded by the same person behind the Pump.Fun token. The token just got listed on MEXC Global as of January 24th, and if you don't have an MEXC Global account yet, I've got a referral code for you in the description below. All you need to do is use the code, create your account, fund it with USDT, head to the trading section, search for ALN, and buy the token. Now, if you check out DEX Screener and click the website link, it will redirect you to Pump.Fun. So it seems this token doesn't have its own dedicated site just yet, but they do have some social channels. You can join their Telegram at ALON Coin Soul, which has over 1,200 subscribers. This will be a great place to stay updated on new token listings, partnerships, and other project news. They also have a Twitter with 12,400 followers, and it's followed by major exchanges like LBank and Ourbit. So it looks like more centralized exchange listings could be coming soon. According to DEX Screener, the token pair was created almost 10 months ago, and it's been gaining a lot of attention recently with all the new listings. If you want to grab the token in a decentralized way, you can find it on Raydium, but you'll need a wallet that supports Solana tokens, like Solflare, Phantom, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask. You can download those wallets on your mobile, or use them as browser extensions on your PC. After that, you'll fund your wallet with Solana, SOL, go to the DX section, find Raydium, and swap your SOL for ALN tokens using the contract address, which you can find on platforms like Solscan, DEX Tools, or DEX Screener. As for slippage, you probably won't need to adjust it, and there might be a small gas fee for transactions. The token might also be available on other decentralized exchanges like Jupiter, Medora, and Orca. Now, here's the exciting part. The token is up an insane 4,027% in the last 24 hours, with over $500 million in 24-hour trading volume. The market cap is around $44.5 million, and their fully diluted valuation is the same. The price of the token is currently 4.47 cents, with $2.2 million worth of liquidity locked in Raydium, and 97.56% of it is locked and burned. If you're interested in the ALON token, check out their social media links, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think this is a good investment or not? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for daily crypto updates where I go over the latest coins, tokens, and their utilities. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, everyone. Peace out.